Berettas and Cavaliers are both known for the firewall leaks. There's a good write-up on how to fix the firewall leaks, because you'll know you have one when you start getting water on your floorboard. So I'm going to show you the really bad spot on mine so you know where it is for future reference in case this is something you're dealing with and you want to tackle. But I'll also put the write-up in the description of the video, because that'll make it easy to get to so you know where to go, so you don't have to dig around on the internet to try and find it. So I hope this helps somebody, and I hope you enjoy. Here's in relation to underneath the hood of where that firewall leak is, towards the bottom. It's a little hard to miss. It's down in there, so it's a little hard to get to from underneath the hood, but you can see exactly where it is. To give you an idea of where I'm at inside of the car, that's on the firewall there. They're known for leaking at that spot. You can see mine is pretty well rusted out, so I'm definitely going to have to patch that one. That's the bad spot on this car for the firewall, fortunately. So I mean, it is fixable. It's absolutely fixable. Now you know, in relation to the firewall, where to look based on the floorboard of the car. So there you go. I tried to keep it simple. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I hope the video works well for you. I hope you'll have a wonderful week.